Hello students, welcome to Samclasses. Today we'll be doing the chapter differential equation in depth. Now, those who have done already the chapter concept video, so once revise it and then attempt all the PYQ. Once you have attempted the PYQ, go through my video. If you find it that you have done in a much better way, put it on the comment section. And if you have not done in a much faster and a better way, do note it down how we have done and you can be benefited and you can solve it in less than 5 to 10 seconds or somewhere 30 seconds or less than a minute. Okay, we have made sure that you are able to solve in less than a minute at least. Now the first question, that is of 2014, let's see the order and degree of the differential equation. So this looks a bit complicated. You can make it short, like simple. Y is equal to x, we can write dy by dx is y dash plus 2 by y dash. Just do the LCM. Okay, so what will get? Y dash is equal to x y dash whole square plus 2. That's it. So what is the order? Order means we have differentiated one time dy by dx, so that is 1. And what is the degree? The highest power of that, so that is 2. So 1 comma 2, that's the answer. Now coming to the next, the general solution of this differential equation. Okay, now this general solution, if you see, it is showing and it is shouting that I'm arranged in the form of what? Linear differential equation. So it is basically dy by dx plus py is equal to q. What is my p? 1 by x. I already told you, whenever we have what you say m by x, what is the integrating factor? It will be, so integrating factor is equal to this, understand this trick, e integration of 1 by x dx. Basically the integrating factor is, what is the formula? E integration of p dx. So integration of 1 by x dx is what? Log x. Correct. Now e power log, I told you e power log of elephant is equal to elephant only. So it will be what? X only, directly done. So next time whenever you get directly, if you get 1 by x, directly you can write x. Now if you get, let's say 2 by x, so it will be basically e power log x square. Whatever is here, that will come as a power. If you get 3 by x, so it will be e power log x cube. So that's why we made a general formula. If you have m by x, you can write directly x power m. Okay, so this will be your integrating factor. Without doing much, directly you can say in 1 second. Okay, now once you got the integrating factor, what will be the solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integration of integrating factor into q dx. That's it, simple. So y into x is equal to integrating factor x into, what is my q? Q is what? 3x, 3x plus c. That's it. So integrate it. So yx is equal to integration of 3x square is what? 3 into x square is x cube by 3 plus c. Okay, so 3 gone. So what we got? Yx is equal to x cube plus c. Now if we send it that side, so y is equal to what? X square plus c by x. That's it. So check the option, where is it is? Y is equal to x square plus c by x. That's it. So coming to the next question, the order of the differential equation of all the circles of a given radius. Now here you need to understand what is a arbitrary constant. Arbitrary, a lot of books they have given wrong answer. Okay, so understand first what is an arbitrary constant is. Arbitrary constants are those which remains unaffected. So these are which remain unaffected by the changes in the values of the variable of the equation. Okay, so we'll understand in depth what is it. First, let's write the equation of a circle. What is the equation of circle general? X square plus y square is equal to a square. This is, no, this is specific when it is origin. When the center is at origin. What is the general equation? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. Now a lot of people, lot of places it is written that h and k and a is also an arbitrary constant. No, here only the arbitrary constants are h and k. Now you'll say, sir, how only these two are there? See, if you change the values of, what do you say, x and y, means basically, let's say you have a circle like this. If you keep changing the values of x and y, you'll get the same circle, but you will be getting the different points of that circle. Now if you change the radius, what will happen? The center remains same, the radius will just become bigger and bigger. So h and k, the center doesn't change. Okay, so what are the arbitrary constant here? H and k. So if you have two arbitrary constants, how many times you have to differentiate? 2 times. That's the answer. So the number of arbitrary constant, that many times you need to differentiate. So a very good question. Do mark it down. Okay. A lot of people, they have a chance of doing mistakes here. So you need to understand in simple terms. Okay. Solution of the differential equation. Now we can do this in a lot of ways. See, the moment we see dy by dx form, what do? Divide everything by x. So what you'll get, dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to x. Correct. So you can see it is nothing but a linear differential equation. Correct. So what are you going to do? Sir, integrating factor, sir, it will take 1 second. Integrating factor is what? E power integration of what? 2 by x. I already told you what is the shortcut. Directly, if it is 2 by x, directly you can write x square. Correct. You already know how we got it. So once you got the integrating factor, it becomes very easy how to solve it. Correct. Now, you can do option checking also. That also will show one method. So what you'll get here as equation, yx square is equal to integrating factor x square dx. That's it. So again, yx square is equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c. So when you send that x square down, what you'll get, y is equal to x power 4 by 4x square plus c by x square. Correct. Or you can take this whole thing as common and then take it as big C, one more c by 4x square. So what you understand, you will get x power 4 and you will get 4x square. So this is my answer, B. Now this took around, what do you say? We can say like a minute or like 40 seconds. What if I go back? If I differentiate this, I should get that. Correct. Check it with this. Let's differentiate. Okay. Let's say we are differentiating, going backward. Okay. So we have y is equal to, or y into 4x square is equal to x square plus x power 4 plus c. So what do you do? Differentiate it. So dy by dx. If I differentiate, what I'll get here? 4x square plus 4 into 2, 8x into y is equal to 4x cube. Correct. We got this much. Correct. So if I divide whole thing by 4, what I'll get? X square. Divide whole thing by 4, divide everything by 4x. So directly you'll get the answer. See? So you got the answer in like what, less than 30 seconds. If you are fast in differentiation, you won't take more than 30 seconds. Understand? So the moment you divide, you can see it. Okay. So what you are getting? X dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 4, what do you say, x square. That's it. So you can do the back method also. See, we integrate this to get this, we can differentiate this to get that. Same thing. Whichever works more faster, you can go with that. Okay. Now let's see the next question. The solution of the differential equation, again, very simple. You just need to integrate. But do we need to integrate a lot? No. What do you do? Integrate like this. Integrate this. Okay. So integration dy by y log y and dx by x plus log x is equal to some constant log c. So what do you get? Log of xy is equal to log c. That's it. Log cancel. Don't cancel, like it. You will get xy is equal to c. That's it. So how much time it took? Very simple. Correct. Don't get too much confused. See it. What you can do. Okay. Simple it is plus. We can take separate integration. Integrate it. That's it. Now, very good question. See, I already told you. I'm again telling it. Whenever we have sine, cos, tan, log, e power, okay, and then you inside that dy by dx is there. Inside that dy by dx is there. Degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Degree has to be separate. It can't be in a composite form with other function. Okay, degree has to be separate. It can't be in a composite. What do you say? Composite form, like composite function. Okay, function with other. Okay. So in this case, only one option is there where degree is not defined. That is the fourth option, directly done. Next, integrating factor, again, just divide the whole thing by x. You'll directly get dy by dx minus 1 by x. Y is equal to what? X cube minus 3. Now what I told you, what is the power here? Minus 1. So it will be what? X power minus 1. Correct. So x power minus 1 means 1 by x directly. See, so this is the shortcut. Okay. So what is the shortcut? Integrating factor, if I get p is equal to, m by x, so my integrating factor will be x power m. That's it. Okay. Next, general solution of the equation. Okay, now this one we can solve it in different ways. Let's see different ways. So what we can do here is, we can write dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y. Bring y one side. So dy by 1 minus y is equal to dx. Integrate it. That's it. So the moment we integrate, we get log here. Log of, if you want, we can take, what do you say? log of 1 minus y, okay, and then 1 minus sign is equal to x plus c, correct? So now the moment I insert this minus here, it will be reciprocated. So it will be log of 1 by 1 minus y, okay, is equal to what I'll get? X plus c. So you can see that is the answer, first one, that's it. Correct. So we don't have to do much in this. Clear? Now we could have done the other way. We could have taken any one value, okay, and we could have solved also. Like let's say I'm differentiating, we can go backwards also. You can differentiate and get this answer. I already told you can integrate and get the answer, or you can differentiate one of the options and see, and just you can get it also. So you can do by that. What will be the second method? Differentiate Mari. Let's say I'm writing this minus of log of 1 minus y is equal to x plus c. Differentiated. So what is the differentiation of log 1 by 1 minus y into minus dy by dx is equal to what? Differentiation of x is 1, c is gone. So minus and minus gone. So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y. That's it. So y bring this side. So dy by dx plus y is equal to 1. So see, we can do both ways. Either you can go from here to there, or you can go from there to here, okay? Next, the integrating factor directly, nothing is there. It is what? 2 by x, you can see. So it is nothing but x square. Clear? So it took literally less than 3 seconds, okay? Next question is order and degree. Very simple. We can see it is double derivative, correct? So double derivative means what? Order is 2, and what is the degree of this? Power of this 1, correct? What is the power of this? 1. So directly done. Now see here in this case. First, the degree and order of the differential equation. So you can see this is double derivative. So order has to be 2. But see here, what is the power here? 1. It means something, and the answer we don't have 1. It means something is wrong. So here see, cube is there. So we have to get rid of this cube root, correct? So either this or this option will be there. This and this won't be there. So get rid of the cube. So d2y by cube, what is a cubit? Is equal to 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. Correct. So what is the 2 and 3? That's it. Clear? Let's see the next question. What we have, the solution of the differential equation. Again, it represents a family of, let's see, what we will do. We'll try to bring x and y separate. So what we'll get, dy by dx is equal to 3 plus y by x, correct? So dy by 3 plus y is equal to dx by x. Integrated. So you'll get log of one linear value 3 plus y is equal to log of x. So if you understand, they both are linear. So we don't have to do everything. So they both are linear means what? Plus log c. Okay. It will form a straight line. That's it. So you don't have to think much in this. Okay. Next. The integrating factor again, see here. Here, this case, if you see, what can be the integrating factor? In case, what you have to do, you have to bring this part, one part from this side to here, because we need x terms in the left hand side. So what I can do, dy by dx plus y, and this y minus x I can bring here. Minus of y minus x is equal to 1 by x, correct? So what I'll get if I take y common? So I'll get dy by dx into plus 1 minus 1 by x into y is equal to 1 by x. So my integrating p is this one. So integrating factor is e integration of 1 minus 1 by x dx. Correct. We can do separately also e power x minus log x. Correct. So that is equal to e power x in by e power log x. And e power log x we already know it is x. So e power x by x. Clear? So it was also not that lengthy. It would have taken what? Somewhere around 30 seconds. That's it. So if you practice, Mari, okay, if you practice it, you'll be able to do it in a much faster pace, okay? If I'm going fast, you can just slow the video and do it. And since exams are very near, so we're just wrapping it up, everything. Let's see the next part. The integrating factor of the differential equation. Now this, again, we need to arrange it a bit. But this looks like we have to arrange in the form of y. See, always the big term, we have to bring it on the numerator side. So we need to bring in form of dx by dy. Okay, because if I do dy by dx, I'll have like y by this. So I won't be able to simplify anything. So dx by dy, what will be doing? 2x plus 3y square by what? Y. That's it. So the moment you are able to write this much, you will be able to understand it is dx by dy minus 2 by y of x is equal to 3y. That's it. So it is which form? In the x form. So dy x, what is my integrating factor? The p is what? This minus 2 by y. So basically it will be what? What I told, if the power is 2 by y minus 2 by y, it will come in the power. So y power minus 2, so 1 by y square. That's it. Clear? So you can use the shortcut. The next, this is very good question. The equation of the curve passing through the point. So we have 1 point, 1 comma 1. So the moment we have a point, we can use this point to eliminate the options. Correct? So if I put 1, 1, so 2 into log 1 is 0 and 1 minus 1, 0. So this is satisfying. This is also satisfying. This is not satisfying. Correct? Because here 0 and here 2. Here this is satisfying, but this is not satisfying. So we have two options. Either it can be A or B. Now let's see from the other part what we can get. Now the slope of the tangent at the point xy. Slope of the tangent is what? I think so everybody can recall dy by dx. And that is equal to product of coordinates. X into y. That's it. The moment you know this much, what do you have to do? You have to check whether it will come log x or log y. Because in the option here we have log x, here we have log y. So you can see dy by y I'm writing an x dx. I don't have to solve. Lots of books, they have solved everything and given. The moment I see dy by y, it is what? It is shouting that it is what? A logarithm in y. Okay, directly I'll write the answer as b. That's it. Clear? So I'll write the answer as b. Log y is equal to whatever the rest, that will be the answer. Now coming to this question, a very good question, order of differential equation. In order to find the order, how many times we need to differentiate, we need to know. And in order to know that, we need to know how many arbitrary constants are there. Okay, so order is equivalent to, you need to know how many times we differentiated. And for that, we need to know how many arbitrary constants. How many arbitrary constants, okay. So y is equal to, if you see c1 e power c2 into e power x, correct? Plus I just made like e power x, I took it like separately, e power c4 into e power x, correct? Now what I can do, I can take e power x common. So my target is to simplify. The moment I took e power x common, what I got? c1 e c2 plus c3 e c4. Now see, this whole thing is a constant. So this is nothing but y is equal to e power x into k. So one constant, one time differentiable, that's it. See, a lot of students, the moment they saw C1, C2, C3, C4, they'll mark 4 and they have given the option 4 also. So you need to understand. Okay. The order of the differential equation, again, same thing. See, a very similar question they have given. Just send C1 that side. So y is equal to C1 plus C3 by C2 into e power C4, you keep it separate, e power x, you keep it. So this whole thing is again k, a constant. So how many times you will differentiate? One time, that's it. Nothing more than that, okay. Clear? Now next, the general equation of the differential equation, what they have given, okay, x square dy minus 2xy dx is equal to x power 4 cos x. Okay, this is the equation. They have written it wrong here. Now what we'll do, the moment I can see, I need to bring in dy by dx form. So I'll differentiate, divide whole thing by dx. So the moment I divide whole thing by dx, what I'll get? X square dy by dx minus 2xy is equal to, here one dx is the x power 4 cos x. So if you see this part, the moment it comes, it should flash. What is this? This is basically, if I see, it is y and x square. It's nothing but just the differentiation of y into x square. It is what? D by dx of y by x, y into x square, correct? Yes or no? It is differentiation of y by x square. So d by dx of this y by x square is equal to x power 4 cos x. So what can we understand from here is, so if I see in the question I have cos x. So if I do integration, I should get sin x, correct? So wherever in the option, if I got cos x, that option can't be there, correct? So that is one thing we got to know. Next, what we can do is, so what we can do, one more thing here is, this whole part is, if I send it that side, I got basically y by x square. What else I can? See, if it means y by x square I'm getting, it means x square has to come, what is a common. So then only we can take it like that and send it to other side, okay. So what we can do, It means that, see, where we can take common, here we can't take x square common, here we can't. So by option checking, we can say A has to be the answer, because y is equal to x square into sine x plus c. So what we can do, we can write y by x square is equal to sine x plus c, and then we can differentiate d by dx of both sides. I think so, d by dx of both sides, and we can send it that side. Correct? I think so, we got the answer only. See, it is nothing but, yeah, correct. We got x power 4 here. If we differentiate, see, we got the answer only. So all the time, we don't have to do whole thing. Okay. So the moment we understand like this, a part of it, okay, we need y by x and x square has to come common, we can solve it very easily. Okay. Now let's see the next question. The curve passing through the point 1 comma 2 and the slope of the tangent at point x comma y is this. So they have given me two things. First, slope of the tangent, the moment slope of the tangent means dy by dx, and that is equal to 2x by y, correct? And it is passing through the point 1 comma 2. So first integrate it. So what you'll get, dy y dy is equal to 2x dx. So the moment we integrate, what you'll get, y square by 2 is equal to 2 into x square by 2 plus c, correct? So if you see, y square by 2 minus x square is equal to c. See, which equation we have, y square by something, okay, minus x square by something. So that is only and only one equation, that is hyperbola. Okay, that is only and only one equation, that is hyperbola, correct? So the answer will be what? Hyperbola. That's it. So you should know the basics of this. What is the circle equation, ellipse equation, parabola and hyperbola? I've already given in the concept video. Go through that one. It will be like solved in just like what? Seconds we'll be able to solve it. Okay. So that's it for the differential part. So we have made it in a shortcut and tricks form, the repeatable and the most common questions. So do watch that series also. It will help you a lot. And once you have done that and you have extra time, you want to revise each and every question of the previous year, do solve these all questions. Okay. And from tomorrow we'll be live there. Okay. So whatever doubts you have, we'll have a scheduled plan. So we'll give it up to you. So don't worry. What do you say? We'll cover up all the physics part and the revision along with it tomorrow and day after. So 24th and 25th will cover each and everything of the physics from the live class only. So do watch the live series, okay? And that's it. And for the mock test, go to the website, write down the mock test, and whatever your results, you can give us a call. We can have a one-on-one session and we can tell you whatever the difficulties you're facing and how to improve on that, okay? Thank you.